Stop with that, man. You making yourself look real bad.
They say I need some Rogaine to put in my hair. Work it out at the gym to fit my underwear.
Remember the old rhythm? First of all, ask the questions, well, what do we need the skin of a car for anyway? What's it there for? Does it have to be made out of metal?
When you was born, we're still driving in wood cars.
It has a skin that offers different capabilities. Can move, can do things that a fixed rigid structure couldn't do, can be lighter, made out of materials which require less energy to make them. G.I.N.A is an acronym, a set of letters.
Old ass
that stand for and in number of, meaning there's a lot of change possible.
It's been twisted out of all of its original meaning. It's been distorted.
Just like McCain.
Now I know he's a legend in the game and he's a veteran and all that. But once you tell me either that's what you be saying. That's what you should be saying. Either to me.
And even the word itself has been twisted out of all of its original meaning. It's been distorted. For some reason now means bad man. It's a good woman. How did they do that?
Now you was born before the internet was created, dog. How the did you even find me, dog? I'm gonna tell you like this, you lame as hell.
Soulja Boy, I been it. Why me crack it? Why me roll? Why me crack that Soulja Boy? That Superman? That now why me crack that Soulja? Now why me crack that Soulja? Now why me
So, John McCain, when you say you would stay in Iraq for 100 years, were you counting on Alex? Because if you were, you can't have him.
And if called me today, they was like, Ice-T, you trying to start a war? Is there a war gonna start? And if there has to be a war on that battlefield, then I'm proud to be the general.
I'm voting Republican because I don't really want a cure for AIDS or breast cancer. They're just gays and women.
It is time for the final round of Dance Off with the Star Wars Stars.
John McCain called his wife a...
Hey, ain't you forgetting something? Love you. Straight home from work, sweet cheeks.